footsteps through wrong and right. Babylon rain beat on my skin, still Jah fire burn within. Seen good friends fall by the way, heard too many promises fade, but the drums still talk to me. Say son, stay strong, stay free. From zinc fence yard to open sea, Jah word of my identity. Every scar a lesson learned, every bridge a fire burn. This a Rasta man story, written in time and glory. Great dread carry memory of pain, of hope, of victory. This a Rasta man story, no crown, no vanity, just truth sung slowly to set the children free. Vinyl spin in a quiet room, bassline heavy like a rising moon. Old tape is, but the message clean, life more than it may seem. Mama prayer in a midnight air, father gone but just still there. Through hungry days and sleepless nights, I hold the faith and walk upright. Them try break me mentally, but love's stronger than brutality. When the system closed the door, Jah opened 10 more. This a Rasta man story, written in time and glory. Great dread carry memory of pain, of hope, of victory. This a Rasta man story, no crown, no vanity, just truth sung slowly to set the children free. Hear the Nyabinghi drum talk low, tell I things the books don't show. If I should rest before sunrise, let this song be my reply. No gun talk, no false faith, only fire call Jah name. If tomorrow never gone, no I life beat like this drum. Now I hold the voice more up, but the message still strong enough. I plant these words like seeds in soil for the youth to hustle and toil. Don't sell your soul for glitter and chain. Freedom never come from shame. Walk humble, firm and true. Jah light will guide you to read. This a Rasta man story, written in time and glory. Great dread carry memory of pain, of hope, of victory. This a Rasta man story, envious but never gone, still playing on and on, like an old roots reggae song. Vinyl, burning the first time, owning wisdom burning. Rasta man story live on, turning earth, burning wisdom burning. Rasta man story live on. Footsteps through wrong and right. Babylon rain beat on my skin, still Jah fire burn within. Seen good friends fall by the way, heard too many promises fade, but the drum still talk to me. Say son, stay strong, stay free. From zinc fence yard to open sea, Jah word of my identity. Every scar a lesson learned, every bridge a Rapping in a quiet room, bassline heavy like a rising moon. Old tape hiss but the message clean. Life more than it may seem. Mama prayer in a midnight air. Father gone but just still there. Through hungry days and sleepless nights, I hold the faith and walk upright. Them try break we mentally, but love stronger than brutality. And the system close the door, Jah open 10 more. This a Rastaman story, written in time and glory. Great dread carry memory of pain, of hope, of victory. This a Rastaman story, no crown, no vanity, just truth sung slowly to set the children free. Hear the Nyabinghi drum talk low, tell our things the books don't show. If I should rest before sunrise, let this song be my reply. No gun talk, no false fame, holy fire call your name. If tomorrow never come, no our life beat like this drum. Now I hold a voice more rough, but the message still strong enough. I plant these words like seeds in soil for the youth who hustle and toil. Don't sell your soul for glitter and chain. Freedom never come from shame. Walk humble, firm and true. Jah light will guide you through. This a Rastaman story, written in time and glory. Great dread carry memory of pain, of hope, of victory. This a Rastaman story, unreleased but never gone. Still playing on and on, like an old roots reggae song.